Once upon a time, there lived a milkman in a village. Every day, he would carry a big can of milk on his head and walk to faraway places to sell it. He would stop at each house along the way and sell his milk to the people there. Adam had a tough job selling milk. It didn't make him rich, but it kept his family comfortable. And Adam was able to lead a decent life with his family. While walking, he often found himself lost in daydreams, escaping from the toils of his daily routine. One day, Adam got extra money from the extra milk that he sold. With that money, he wanted to buy some pets from the market. There, he decided to buy a chick. He brought the chick home and was very happy to rear it. The next day, as Adam carried the load of milk can, he thought to himself,
I have a chick now. Soon it will grow big and lay many eggs. These eggs will hatch into chicks. Those chicks will grow, and they will also lay many eggs. Those many eggs would hatch into chocks and lay many eggs. I will still have many chicks hatching, and soon I will become the owner of a very big poultry farm. Then, I need not carry this long can of milk and sell milk at the doorsteps of people.
As he was in his dreams, he didn't notice a protruding stone. He tripped on it and lost his balance. The long milk can fell down, and all the milk spilled on the ground. Only then did he realize his foolishness. Moral: when we lose ourselves in daydreams, we can make mistakes and cause accidents. Therefore, it's crucial to remain focused on the task at hand to avoid unnecessary trouble.